CSR activity which is loosely done by many corporates just for the sake of doing things, right? I mean, I know many corporates for the sake of doing. Somebody who is not a good performer in organization is put into CSR activity. So, so I see that large corporate. There should be a mandate from the government that a very large corporate who has more than 1,000 crore organization should take into their ambit at least 4 or 5 MSCs related to their business and groom them on the corporate governance. How do we structure loans? How do you get this funding? It's like, government is playing a role of a father. We need a big brother in the middle, who can guide the young boy. So at least 2-3 years of such grooming is very important for somebody like us to take up to, and then after that they can adopt the new. So this can be part of the. It's not that we are looking any funding from those organizations. It's more about you do these things right. Yeah, mentorship program. That is one I am looking at.
Yeah, their mentorship programs are to be sorry to
that is loosely done by. Yeah, I should be able to apply. So what I'm saying is, Sumedha, I should be able to choose my corporate. Let's say I want to work with Reliance. I will go and write an application to Reliance that this is the thing which I want to do with you guys. I want to learn. So that is one I'm looking at as a suggestion. Second thing is the extent of guarantee has to be uniform across all categories of MSME. Now, if you look at MSME, there is credit guarantee is 50% for some people, 70% for some, 75, 80, 85, up to 90. Why don't you have a uniform guarantee for all sectors? If you find somebody is a priority sector, okay, give that 90% to the priority sector for the country. Somebody who is trying to increase the employments for the country through this particular sector. So I think these are the two suggestions which I have in mind for the finance minister. That's it.
Sure. Thank you, Sudhakar. And
we need to test audio video for.
I have a kind of 3-point plan, right? What I would want to do. One is in terms of classification of MSME. Given
Excuse me, just for a minute. Just hold for a minute.
Okay, just hang on a bit.
Host, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
हाँ संध्या जी एक बार जो सर से बात करने वाले हैं उनको ऑडियो वीडियो टेस्ट कराइए. Who is he? Will directly talk to sir.
We can see their video, Honorable Nitinji Gadkari ka.
Is our audio clear?
सूरज म्यूट करो एक मिनट. आप माइक बंद करो. 1 मिनट में बात करो.
Sorry, we had this scheduled at 4:30, so let's wait for a minute and then we can come back and close this.
No, I just want to check whether you
sure, sir.
जो सर से बात करने वाले हैं ना उनको ऑडियो वीडियो हमें टेस्ट करना पड़ता है.
They haven't come online yet. MSR, you there?
I'm here. Can you hear me, please?
Yeah, सूरज क्लियर है ऑडियो? प्लीज चेक करो एक बार.
आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Audio is clear. Audio is clear. Are you getting my audio clear?
हाँ जी, I can hear you loudly and clearly, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
And second one, और कोई है जो सर से बात करेंगे?
मिसेस दुग्गल वो तो यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो अभी ज्वाइन करेंगे 5 मिनट में.
तो वो उनको प्लीज ज्वाइन करके टेस्ट कराइए ना उनको ऑडियो वीडियो.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
सर उन्होंने जस्ट अभी पैनलिस्ट की तरह ज्वाइन किया है. मिसेस दुग्गल, इफ यू कैन टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो.
कौन है?
Mrs. Dugal, can you hear us?
Maybe we can wait for her to come online and then do this.
She's here, the panelist.
She's here. Yeah. Yes. Anjali ji, you there? Okay, maybe she'll come online.
No. It takes me a little bit of time to untangle myself from this technology.
Okay, so we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. But here's the thing. With so much input, passionate input, practical input coming in from all the young entrepreneurs, I kind of feel that a lifetime of making policies, etc., nothing has equipped me for the kind of stark realities that you're handling on a daily basis. I can understand Shivang's anguish when she says 24% pe lene ko taiyar hai, you know, and the other two entrepreneurs who said never do that, etc. So it's been quite a lesson in the realities on the ground. I think one of the things that we could do is to put the objective of this finance convening into place. And that was this. A group of people from different sectors have been getting together and talking about what the issues in access to capital are for entrepreneurs. Venture capital, we haven't got into, Yukti.
Madan, I think you can continue.
Yeah. No, I think, in the interest of time, Anjali, that I think that was a very interesting, honest comment. And I think that's the challenges we need to solve on the ground. I know we have a couple of minutes. Let's finish our show. That was a kind of a commercial break for us. Let's come back.
I am glad to have done that for you. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. I'm learning a lot, and I think it helps to come to better conclusions about what.
Absolutely, and we're looking forward to your concluding comments, Anjali, to figure out how do we move forward. And I think that's the reality, right? Too
early for that today, Madan, because this material needs to be worked on, and we need to be taking a closer look at regulations, etc. Today, I will only just do the summing up.
Perfect. Okay, sounds good. So we'll wrap this up in a couple of minutes. Ashutosh, if you can just share a few thoughts, and we'll bring it to a close.
Sure, Madan. So I just have three. So what I would do is that one, I would actually classify MSMEs into micro, nano, small, medium, and all, and craft a policy or credit policy associated with those specific kind of MSMEs, right? Given the requirement, needs, and the life cycle stage in the business is also very different. So that would be as a bank manager, what I would do.
Correct.
Second thing, what I would do, set up a team which actually understand venture and understand the kind of which are there when you are actually building up something. So the kind of initial turmoil and the kind of stress which is there in terms of managing things. And the third thing would be that even if it's an or fintech, the interest rate or the structured debt products should be designed basis which actually helps the business to flourish rather than stifling that and having 24% kind of interest on the back of saying there's very risky proposition.
Correct.
And kind of create the micro let's go for a 9%. If this is a business which can maybe afford a little more, then 12%, 15% accordingly create something like that. These are the three things which I'll do.
Perfect. No, I'm sure this conversation can go on for a long time, but we need to bring this to a close. I loved to bring in a technology that Sumedha has excelled at. There was a lot of lobs, a lot of smashes, a lot of aces in this conversation, and a lot of missed shots as well. What we need to do is to make sure, my only request to all of you is to do three things. One, let's all be a part of the solution than the problem. I know being in the hot seat as entrepreneurs, sometimes you tear your hair out. See what's happened to my state after 20 years of tearing my hair out. But I would urge all of us to become a part of the solution. Two, you're all representatives of your community of entrepreneurs, so please keep amplifying voices. I loved what Priyanka said, that she's been talking about other entrepreneurs saying, have you heard of Oken? Have you heard of this? What problems do you have? So I'd love to stay engaged with each of you, to hear not just your perspective, but your friends, your community. And lastly, this is just the beginning. Let's stay engaged. I'm sure, the journey we are on, things can only get better from here. How do we make sure that it gets better faster is the target for GAME. And we really look at each one of you to be those ambassadors of change for the country and for the world, to create new models. And can we then, maybe 10 years, 20, 30 convening, come back and say we did it together? right? So that's my request. I really appreciate the honest conversation we've had. I think these are the quality of conversations we need to have if we need to make a difference on the ground. And game is definitely not about talk only. We want to make sure that the talk percolates to every nook and cranny of the country. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for spending your time engaging, and look forward to a lot more conversations together. Wishing you all the very best, and we're all here to root for you. Thank you.
Madan.
Thank you, Madan.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Madan.
MSF.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Closing up?
Bye.
Yeah, we're just closing up, so we can all leave this event. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you so much again. Bye.
Hello, Sandhya. And
Hi,
hello,
MSR.
Diksha.
Hi, MSR. We can see you.
Can I take a quick
Hi,
comfort
Sandhya.
break?
Yeah, you can take a quick comfort break. For sure.
All right. Sandhya, can you see me?
Very well, Mrs. Dugal.
How are you doing?
I am doing well, thank you.
All your work has
Now
gone
that I can-
wonderfully well.
Now that I can see you, hear you, we can see the Honorable Minister, I feel much better.
Yes, his chair certainly. So is Harshita online? She wanted to do a tech check with me.
Yeah.